Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the aspect settings on your TCL 27G64. So first, we want to open up the menu by clicking the white button here. Now go to the menu and here select the display and then the aspect. So here we can change our aspect ratios. We can select 16:9, which is the default one for us now. We can change it to 4:3. Now, as you guys can see, this is a 4:3, and here we can also change it to 101. And it looks normal because it's literally a 1:1 scale. And here we have our 16:9. So that's basically how you guys can change it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.